Hey everyone, so I've had a question today about the themes that you have on your WordPress site and where to find out what themes that you're using. Now, I use the Divi Builder, which itself is a theme, but you might be running a theme like Flow Themes, 2017. There's lots of different themes. I do advise that you also have a child theme. If you've got any questions about that, please let me know at the end of the video. So Marie wanted to know how you find out what themes you're using. So in your dashboard, go up here to dashboard, and it's in your appearance. So click on themes. Let's have a look. So I am, as I said, I use Divi, but I have my own custom child theme that I use. And I've left a couple of little themes here as well. So 2019 and 2017, they're the default WordPress themes. And normally when you do a WordPress install, they will come with your install. I would recommend getting rid of your excess themes that you don't use. So this is how you find out where your themes are. You can click here and customize. Now this is a child theme that I'm running. And you have your theme editor here. So you can change your general settings, your navigation, footer, buttons, etc. And that will be dependent on your theme as well. So some themes you will be able to edit that information and some themes you won't. So that's where to find your themes. What I'd also recommend is the themes that you're not using, you get rid of. It's really easy to do. Don't worry about deleting your themes. If you are confident that you know that's the theme that you use, you're not going to change your mind, you can get rid of them. It just reduces the excess bloat and loading and helps streamline your WordPress site. So details. Down here at the bottom, we want to delete it. Okay. And again, 2017, not using it, not a big fan. I'm just going to delete it. There we go. And we have our themes up and running. I hope that helps.